My dear friends and my dear students, how are you? I hope all are well. Now we are talking about accounting. Accounting is an information systems that identifies records, transactions, and financial statement and give the information by the financial statement. Now we discuss about the accounts. This is very important topics in our accounting subject and also in our daily activities. We all are known these assets, liabilities, owner security, revenues, expenses. This is the fundamental words of this accounting. Accounts we may differ in 5 ways. That is, number one is assets, number two is liabilities, number three is owner security. My dear students, listen, please listen. And number four is revenues, and number five is expenses. It is very important that the three is assets. Asset is only one. And liabilities, owner securities, revenues, expenses. This is four elements. This is four elements goes to one element. There is mandatory that assets equal to all these liabilities, revenues, expenses, owner securities, and liabilities. This is four topics that identify total liabilities, and assets is the future benefit of the companies. And there is, now we discuss about these assets. Assets is that elements that is give us future benefit. That is give us future benefit. My dear students, for example, assets may be short term asset or current asset. And also long term or fixed assets. Alright, he defined assets in two ways. That is current asset and other is fixed assets. Current asset is that asset that is modified, that is usable in current years. That means less than 1 year. It may be 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, and also 2 days. 2 days asset is current asset. And long term, so fixed asset is we understand the word fixed asset. This is the overall long term, that is over the 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and many more. That is fixed assets. And we are given in that liabilities. We are given the liabilities. Liabilities can be identified. Now we define Now we defined liabilities. Liabilities can be defined short-term liabilities. invest the company, he running the company, he operate the company, is owner. The liabilities, profit, loss, all taken by the owners. Owner security. By the company. Capital invest to the company or business and his claims is owners. That means there is a person who invests to the company and business and he, his benefit or he claims the business for his profit, claims and pays to the owners is owner security. The ultimate claims liabilities to the owners from the business is called owner security. Understand? Owner security, that means there is a person who invests in the business, his owners, but his claims is owner security. But his liability to the company or the owners is owner security. The liabilities to the owners is owner security. Understand? There is any question? There is any question? Please say. Now we are going to revenues. Revenues is the company's outcome or business outcome by the selling and service, etc. Profit or income. Another one is expenses. Expenses, the total expenditure of the company to operate the business is expenses. For example, purchase raw materials. Another is salaries to the employees. Office rent. Then is ultimate